Hi guys, it's ASBYT, and if you're just about to pull the trigger on a brand new gaming laptop or PC, just hold your horses a second because this video might just save you a packet. So this is the Asus ROG Zephyrus M16 gaming laptop. It was sent to me by Asus, who are also kindly sponsoring today's video in celebration of the Intel Gamer Days festival, which is going on as we speak. So I thought, let's get it in the studio, put it through its paces, do a full walkthrough of all of this machine's features, whilst also explaining how right now during Intel Gamer Days might just be the best time to buy a brand new gaming laptop or PC powered by Intel processors, like this one here. Let's crack on. So if you are heavily into gaming or are looking to possibly game more, then I'm sure you will be aware of how important your machine and its internal hardware are for optimum play. Now this Asus ROG Zephyrus M16 laptop comes equipped with the latest 11th gen Intel chip technology, and it's a beast when it comes to performance, as you'll see. Now that's not to say that this is just pure brawn with no beauty, as some of the little accents and attentions to detail are really on point. Take the solid premium metal build with these little almost pores on the lid, which shift in the light kind of RGB colours almost, with the different angled reflections. You also have this absolute stealth mode, matte black on the inside, RGB keyboard, and an overall package that's fairly portable and compact with a weight of just 1.9 kilograms, which for a machine that packs as much as this does on the inside on this 16-inch platform is pretty impressive indeed. Now speaking of that 16-inch Quad HD IPS display, it's excellent, it really is. But at over 500 nits peak brightness, it's super bright also. Usually a lot of matte screens, I find they tend to look just that little bit dull compared to glossy ones, but honestly this is one of the first things I noticed. Really like it. Now it has a 16:10 aspect ratio, which I think is personally a lovely happy medium for most things. 3:2, for example, is great for real estate, for productivity, browsing the web, emails, content creation, video editing, for example, but not so great for watching movies, as you'll get black bars top and bottom, and gaming too to some extent. On the flip side, 16:9, your more kind of traditional modern TV aspect ratio is great for movies and gaming to some extent, but not so great for content creation, productivity, emails, video editing, etc. 16:10 kind of does both, and does it pretty well. The display also rotates all the way open 180 degrees, and can be opened with one hand, a little feature that is often overlooked, but goes a long way I feel. So of course, some pretty hefty content creation is definitely possible here thanks to the internals. The Zephyrus M16 is packing Intel's latest Core i9 11th gen processor, 32GB of RAM, and a Nvidia GeForce RTX 3070 GPU. While I must admit that I personally edit a lot of my videos on Final Cut Pro, I did throw some 4K footage from my DSLR onto Adobe Premiere Pro on this laptop, and it handled it absolutely no problems whatsoever. It really does offer one of the best Windows 10 experiences on a laptop. So of course this laptop does more than fine for content creation and productivity, emails, work documents, etc. But being Asus, being ROG, gaming is really where it's at. And this doesn't disappoint. I admittedly am not a hardcore daily gamer anymore. It is hard with the kids, but I would say I enjoy the occasional long session, and it really has delivered so far. I can say under heavy load the fan noise is fairly loud, but they do a really good job at keeping the laptop nice and cool to maintain that high performance. And the thermals are also aided by the hinge mechanic, which raises the bottom of the machine off the resting surface slightly when open, to allow for better airflow. And there is this rubber strip which runs all the way along the back, which aids this process further. You do have silent mode that you can select where fans are curbed, which is nice, but I would not advise this if you are going to be doing anything too strenuous. I did run Cinebench and Geekbench tests, and as you can see, we have some pretty impressive results here, and it puts this laptop right up there in the bracket of some of the best gaming machines out there. The M16 seemed to crush pretty much any game I threw at it, with high frame rates and resolutions all capable here. Asus also have this cool customized Armory crate key here, where you can choose settings to match your tastes, like selecting a specific performance mode. If you do decide to run the laptop on turbo mode, for example, I would advise plugging the laptop into a power source for optimum output, and because the 90 watt hour battery will take a hit. Gaming laptops aren't often renowned for having incredible battery life, for obvious reasons. Some people might be slightly irritated by these icon lights here at the top reflecting on the screen, but I can't say it bothers me all that much. Outside of that, the overall keyboard offers a really nice all-round experience, RGB backlit as mentioned, and the power button acts as a fingerprint scanner also, which is nice and accurate. The actual keys have a fair amount of travel, but they're not mushy by any means and really comfortable to use for long gaming periods. If you do decide to use this laptop for more productivity kind of tasks, Word documents, emails, etc., there is a little bit of flex here on the keyboard, but it still feels really nice and well made. And I have to say that runs through to the trackpad as well. It really is excellent. Really nice and firm on the click, super responsive, seriously one of the best I have used. If you're gaming or watching movies without headphones on, then you will be pleased to know the speakers are really good with an up-firing location for most of the sound as well, which I love. Makes things feel that little bit more immersive compared to when they're all on the bottom. In terms of ports, you have a micro SD card reader and USB Type A's on one side, and your power, HDMI, Ethernet, another Type A, and a headphone jack and 2 USB Type C ports, Thunderbolt 4 on the other. So this covers most bases here, good to see. We also have a webcam just up at the top here. Now, it's still 720p. Can't seem to find a webcam higher than that, really. I think on any laptop currently at the moment, still in 2021. Don't know why. It seems to be an afterthought as always, but it's there and it's a feature, I guess, and does a fairly good job for 720p. You'll still probably want to get a designated external webcam, etc., or camera if you are looking to stream, for example. All in all, this is a fantastic laptop for gaming, content creation, and general workflow. And if the design is up your street and the price works for you, you really can't go wrong here. If you do like what you see here and would like more information on this laptop or any other Intel-powered laptop or gaming PC, then I will leave a link to all the information in the video description below for the Intel Gamer Days Festival and all of the special offers, prize giveaways, etc. that are currently going on right now, all the way through to, I believe, the 5th of September. Intel Gamer Days is the premier PC gaming shopping opportunity of the year that brings together many of the top names in PC gaming and offers some of the best savings of the year on elite Intel-based desktop PC and laptop gaming systems and components. So don't miss out. You really have nothing to lose. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Is this a laptop that you're interested in? Are you a gamer? Are you looking to buy a new gaming laptop? Would you prefer a desktop PC, for example? Or do you think the sort of portability aspect of having the laptop is a benefit compared? Let me know. As always, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Like and share if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful and want to see more. Drop a subscribe and hopefully we can make that happen for you. Not hopefully, we will. I love you, leave you. I'll see you in the next one. Say ASBYT. Peace out.